Hi everyone. Today I am here with my June Manny and Me box. I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek at it in case you want to purchase this one. So let's see. So in the Manny and Me boxes, it comes with 2 cards, and one card has some information on the box, just some really cute stuff. You should definitely read this. And then the other one has it's like an idea card, and it gives you a tutorial. So in the Manny and Me boxes, well, it usually comes with pineapple gummy, but I ate them. I opened this already, couldn't resist eating them, so sorry. But with this Manny and Me box, there's 2 different boxes. You can buy just the plate box, or you can buy the whole entire collection. And I did decide to get the whole entire collection because this is really cool. This one is called the Smudge Free Unicorn Top Coat. Oh, that's weird. I thought it was a Mermaid Top Coat. Okay, whatever. It's all right. So it's the Maniology. I could really swear it was supposed to be the Mermaid Top Coat. Oh, well, whatever. It's now the Unicorn Top Coat, I suppose. But this is really cool. So it's a smudge-free version of a nice sparkly top coat. Okay, so I wasn't losing my mind. The posting I saw did say Mermaid Top Coat. And I will be using these products later on this month and into July. So I did want to get you guys the heads up in case you wanted to purchase this. And then this really cool, kind of like a grayish blue. I really liked it. And this one is called Shark Bait. Okay, and then in here, oh, it's a little stamping guide telling you how to stamp if you've never stamped before, or some tips and tricks and stuff. And then we have 2 exclusive Manny and Me plates. These come in only this one Manny and Me box. And here is the first one. A lot of fun ideas here. We've got smiles and flamingos and a Jeep and a shark. So all kinds of really fun things here. And then this plate, which is super fun too, it comes with some background ideas and then some little things and some words. So let's see. Find me under the palms, hello summer, sunrise, oh bite me, aloha. What does that say? Oh geez, I don't know. Hang on. Yeah, it says get off my tail. And some other words. Anyway, so this is super cute. I totally love it. I like this. This is a surfboard with a shark bite out of it. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing in here that I actually haven't opened yet is this cute little pouch. And they said that this is acetone resistant, so you don't have to worry about it if it gets a little bit of acetone on it. So that is pretty cool. So it's this little pouch. It's very nice. And you can use it if you're on the go. You can put your stamping plates in there. So that's pretty cool. Love that. So that's actually going to be it for this video. Let me know in the comments whether you love this Manny box, and if you think you'll be getting it, let me know. Oh, I do have a 10% off discount discount code for Maniology. However, I don't think you can use it on the Manny and Me boxes. Not sure about that, but I don't think so. Anyways, if you think you are going to buy this, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you're excited to see what I do with these plates. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.